Now, of course, the real magic happens after you upload your files. When Medley starts generating your lecture notes, your summaries, practice questions, and everything else. This is the moment the app really shows you what it's capable of. Medley's AI can generate lecture notes from your handouts, and it doesn't just dump text onto a page. It actually pulls out the core information, trims away the unnecessary explanations, and formats everything into clean, structured notes with headings, bullet points, tables, and even LaTeX equations. It feels intentional, not automated. What impressed me the most was how logical the notes were. The AI wrote in the exact same style I typically would. Tables to compare information, arrows to show processes and flow, and headings that make sense. And those headings come with a table of contents, which makes navigating long documents so much easier. It's the kind of structure that helps you learn faster because everything is laid out clearly. But the best part? You can edit the notes. You're not stuck with whatever the AI gives you. If something is incorrect or incomplete, you can fix it. Medley gives you a decent set of tools: headings, basic formatting, highlights, and the ability to add dividers, links, citations, photos, and codes. The only limitation, and it's a big one, is that images must have a URL, meaning they have to be online somewhere. You can't add images stored locally on your device. That immediately cuts out screenshots, diagrams, and photos you've taken yourself, which is frustrating for anyone who studies visually. To perfect your notes, you can ask the AI to add missing details exactly where you want them, and the accuracy is impressive. The AI follows instructions naturally and it doesn't fight you. But sometimes you do have to be very precise to get the exact output you want. Over time, that can get tiring, which is why I was surprised that there's no option to copy responses from your AI. That alone would simplify so much of the workflow. Another limitation you'll feel quickly: Medley only opens one document at a time. So if you want to cross-check your notes with the original PDF or with your original notes, you'll need a second device or a physical textbook. A split view option or even a floating window would dramatically improve the study experience. And then there's the color situation, or rather, the lack of it. There's only one text color. The highlighter is green, which is an unusual choice for a highlighter, and there's no way to change it. I naturally gravitate towards yellow, but that's not an option here. The only place you get color is inside tables, where you can change both the text and background for individual cells. It's nice, but it also makes you want to put everything in a table just to get some color into your notes. Practical? Not really. Tempting? Absolutely. But here's the question that keeps coming up for me. Could this be the death of handwritten notes? Because when AI can generate such clean, structured, editable notes in minutes, why would you handwrite anything from scratch? You could spend less time creating notes and more time actually learning from them. And honestly, that's a compelling argument.